Hello everyone, welcome to all in YourPedia Education. My name is Manish Singh and today I am going to discuss with you one descriptive question from production engineering for upcoming CGPDTM 2023 exam. Correct? So let's see, यहाँ पे मैंने क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ सोल्यूशन भी लिख रखा है जिससे हम कम टाइम पे चीजें ज़्यादा कवर कर सकें. So you can see here we have one question from metal cutting. You can see if the cutting force and the thrust force on the orthogonal machining are 400 Newton and 600 Newton respectively. You can see here in this problem we have thrust force as well as cutting force. You can see here. So this is 400 Newton is a cutting force and 600 Newton force is a thrust force. Is it clear? And the shear angle is also given here. And the uncut chip thickness and width of the chip is given here, that is 1 millimeter and 5 millimeter respectively. The normal stress, here you need to calculate normal stress on the shear plane. Is it clear? You need to calculate normal shear stress on the plane, yes or no? So simply if I write, first we need to calculate shear normal force, and after getting normal force we can determine shear stress also, yes or no? So simply here I am writing, after determining Fn we need to find out F tau n, yes or no? This is our objective of this question. Is it clear? So how we can solve this question? This is the strategy. यहाँ पे आपको सीखना है कि प्रॉब्लम को, कन्वेंशनल प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कैसे करना है एंड सोल्यूशन को लिखना है कैसे. So you can see here whenever you try to solve this question करेक्ट इन अ कन्वेंशनल वे, क्योंकि आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए अलग तरीका अपनाना पड़ेगा एंड यहाँ पे कन्वेंशनल के लिए आपको प्रॉपरली प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा आंसर सो दैट यू कैन गेट द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स, यस और नो. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं देखूं तो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू राइट व्हाट आर द गिवन्स इन द क्वेश्चन. आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या दिया गया है उसको आपको लिखना है. Like this you can see FC is a cutting force, FT thrust force, this. These informations are given here already, and now you need to write what are the things which you need to determine. So obviously you need to determine this force, this shear stress, and with suitable unit. You can see here a unit is also mentioned here. So you just write, you need to calculate, you need to determine shear stress with a unit that is in megapascal, yes or no? Correct, megapascal. So this is the things ये हमें find out करना है. Now how to solve this question? So first you write by using Merchant's theory, by using Merchant circle. यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है, डायरेक्टली आपको ये फॉर्मूला नहीं लिखना, ऑल्दो यू नो दिस फॉर्मूला, यस और नो, आपको ये सारी फॉर्मूलाज याद हैं. और यहाँ पे देखो दिस क्वेश्चन बिलोंग्स टू अराउंड 6 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, तो आपको यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा तामझाम भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है कि एंटायर मर्चेंट सर्कल ड्रॉ किया एंड देन यू जस्ट मार्क what are the force given in the merchant circle and what are the angles given here and what are the relations, yes or no? So you don't need to write this thing, yes or no? Simply you write from the merchant circle we know that this relation Ft is equal to R sin beta minus alpha, Fc is R cos beta minus alpha, and if I take ratio of this then you will get this relation, yes or no? And from this you just find out beta minus alpha, and once you get beta minus alpha then obviously by using merchant theory, by using from merchant circle we can write this relation Fn is equal to R sin phi plus beta minus alpha, yes or no? And obviously you can see from this relation we can get phi, beta minus alpha, and phi is already given in the question, so simply we can write phi plus beta minus alpha is nothing but this is a 30 plus 56.309, so here we can get 86.309, yes or no? And after that you can see here we need to write normal force, then obviously normal force is represented like this. और उससे पहले आपको क्या पता करना पड़ेगा, you need to determine resultant force, yes or no? और resultant की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो resultant force यहाँ पे क्या होगा, resultant force is nothing but this can be written as Ft is equal to R sin beta minus alpha. अभी मैं आपको ये सारी चीजें explain भी कर दूंगा, don't worry about this. So Ft is equal to R sin beta minus alpha. So by using this relation we can determine R, yes or no? And once you will get the R, then by using this formula you can see here Fn is equal to R sin phi plus beta minus alpha. By using this formula you can find out normal force, yes or no? And after getting normal force, what you need to do? You need to determine shear stress. Stress. So simply if I say stress is nothing but this is Fn upon shear area. Is it clear? Fn upon shear area, and shear area is nothing but you can see here, simply it can be written as Fn upon, this is T1 into B over sin phi, correct. So आपको करना क्या है, you see here you have phi, here you have T1, yes or no, and similarly yes, here we have width also. तो ये सारे डेटा यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी गिवन है, यू जस्ट पुट दिस वैल्यूज, यहाँ पे ये नॉर्मल फोर्स हमने डिटरमिन कर लिया, इन सारी वैल्यूज को आप यहाँ पे पुट करोगे, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर, यस और नो. सो लाइक इस तरीके से आप इस प्रॉब्लम को लिख सकते हो. दिस इज द प्रॉपर वे जिसमें आपको सोल्यूशन को यहाँ पे लिखना है. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस.